What is your reaction to a poll released today by the Sunshine State News that said your job approval rate is at 27%?
I haven't seen that one.
What's your reaction?
I haven't seen that, so I'd have to look at it. But look, my job is I got elected on a very specific platform to get our state back to work, and that's what I'm doing every day. If you look at the key is it's what we're doing every day. I've put in a great team on economic development. Grace Swope is doing a great job. We've done 2 trade missions, one to Panama, one to Canada. They're very, very successful. We've got one coming up to Brazil. I think it will be very successful. It's getting our state back to work, and as you know, we're heading in the right direction. We're not where we want to be. We still have over 900,000 people without a job. But unemployment's come down. We did better than all the rest of the country put together in May. I hope a week from Friday we get our numbers for June. I hope we have a great June. But the key is it's individuals' lives. It's people that need jobs to support themselves, their families, and that's what I'm focused on. Clearly, a significant issue. The cost of property insurance in our state is a significant issue we've got to deal with. I think one of the things we have to look at is what can we do to attract more companies into our state, because as you know, historically with more competition, prices come down. The cost of property insurance is a significant problem for our families in the state right now. So if looking at things like privatizing citizens is something that would help drive down the cost of insurance in our state, I want to look at it very.
Another privatization idea you had put forth was regarding state parks. And Secretary Vineyard last week seemed to back away from the Honeymoon Island idea.
Yeah, I think it was Honeymoon Island.
Is the whole effort sort of on hold right now on other parks?
That's a good question. I think that, let's think about where we are. We've won 2 gold medals so far, and you can only win the gold medals every 6 years for our state parks. We have great states. We should continue to look at these things, but we've got to listen to the public. And if it's something that it's their parks, we got to make sure we listen to them and do the right things on these state parks.
The federal government released rules for implementing the federal health exchanges. What was Florida doing? What's the position?
Well, as you know, I've been very concerned about the Obamacare. I think it's going to be probably the biggest job killer ever. I'm very concerned about the impact on our businesses. I'm very concerned about long term that I think it's going to ration health care for Americans. And I don't see the benefit of doing the healthcare exchange right now. I don't see how it's going to reduce our healthcare costs.
Privatizing the South Florida prison, was that in retaliation for the campaign ads that the FOP financed against?
Sure. If you look at one in my when I ran, I talked about looking at the cost of our prisons as compared to other states. And if the way I look at it is, this is taxpayers' money. We want to have a prison system that is very safe. We keep people that need to be incarcerated. We also want to do a good job of making sure that people that leave prison don't come back. We hope that we do a good job reducing recidivism. And if the private sector can do it better, we should look at that because it's taxpayer money, and we've got to watch out for how we spend taxpayer money.
All right, thanks everybody.
Thanks everybody. Thanks for coming today.